Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this mirror video effect in Canva. As you can see, I already inserted a same video to a new design. The first thing what we need to change the background to black to get it a bit nicer, then duplicate the original image, moving down to the right position and go into the positions and rotate to 180 degrees. Yeah, I know we can also change the direction here, but for me it's way easier. Just type 180 and in this case immediately turning back. As you can see, it's almost good, but still we have to flip it. And so select the video, go into the flip, and we need to flip horizontal. So it already looks good, but still not perfect. I mean, it's really nice already, but I would like to add additional layer to get more catchy. So we can do two things. First, we can go to the transparency and reduce the transparency to roughly 60-65, which is already nice. The thing what I don't like, here you can see immediately the huge difference between the original and the mirrored one. So if I try to just reduce more to get a bit, it's really good, but I don't like this huge contrast between the two videos. So to avoid this, going back to the transparency to 100%, I just need a rectangle and just hiding the bottom video, go into the color, add new color, and from solid we need to change to gradient. And I just change the color to black, add one more or might be two more, change the direction to this linear gradient 180, and the first color I just reducing the transparency to 0, maybe the second one to 30, this one to 6, might be, just think about how much, maybe 70, and even this one not to 30, this one to like to 50. So in this case, here we do not have this huge contrast, but we added this nice gradient darker mood, and even we can play a bit more to have it nicer, but I think now it's already a pretty amazing outcome. So now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button. Subscribe to my channel. Leave comment in the comment section first of all to feed the algorithm, our greatest friend. And of course, if you have any question about Canva or struggling anything in the Canva, just let me know and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of this video where you can find the links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts listed in a Facebook page, and of course in the TikTok and Instagram pages you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. As I already mentioned, you can find the links in the description, but now this tutorial is really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.